You are watching part 1 of the series of healthy drinks. In this video, you will know how to boost your mind with a natural drink. Our brain is a fascinating organ, working non-stop to keep us alert, learning and thinking, just like our body needs nutritious food to stay healthy. The brain also requires specific nutrients to function well. If you're looking for a way to support brain health, one great option is a homemade brain drink. This drink combines powerful ingredients that improve memory, focus, and mental clarity. Let's dive into the recipe for a simple brain drink, covering how to make it, its benefits, and why each ingredient is useful for our brain. First of all, take a look on the powerful ingredients. Each ingredient in this brain drink plays an important role in enhancing brain function. Here's what you will need. You will need berries, half cup, spinach or kale. You can take spinach instead of kale, 1 cup, almonds, 5 to 10 pieces, chia seeds, 1 tablespoon, honey, 1 teaspoon, it is optional, coconut water, 1 cup, turmeric, 1 pinch, and avocado. You can take a small piece of avocado and you need some water. First, we talk about blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, especially flavonoids, which help protect brain cells from damage. They reduce oxidative stress and improve communication between brain cells, enhancing memory and cognitive function. Blueberries are often called brain berries for a good reason. Spinach or kale. Leafy green like spinach and kale contain vitamin K, lutein, and beta carotene, which are important for brain health. These nutrients help slow down cognitive decline and keep the brain sharp. Leafy greens are also high in folate, a type of vitamin B that supports brain cell health. Almonds. Almonds provide vitamin E, which is known to protect against age related cognitive decline. They also contain healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which stabilize blood sugar and provide lasting energy to the brain, keeping you focused for longer periods. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are packed with omega 3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain development and function. Omega 3 help reduce inflammation, improve brain cell communication, and are linked to better memory and focus. Honey. Honey adds natural sweetness and small energy boost. It's an excellent substitute for refined sugar as it contains antioxidants and has antibacterial properties. Honey also helps improve concentration and memory by providing a quick source of energy to the brain. Coconut water. Coconut water is an excellent source of electrolytes, keeping you hydrated. It's a great alternative to sugary drinks, and its potassium helps maintain brain and nerve health. Staying hydrated is crucial for focus and memory, making coconut water an ideal base for this brain drink. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a power antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that has been shown to improve memory and reduce the symptoms of depression. Curcumin also promotes the growth of new brain cells, which is important for maintaining cognitive health as we age. Avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, especially monosaturated fats which support brain health. These fats help increase blood flow to the brain, providing it with essential nutrients. Avocados are also high in fiber, which helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, providing steady energy for brain function. Water or ice. Adding water or ice makes the drink easier to consume and ensures you stay hydrated. Dehydration can lead to confusion, poor concentration, and fatigue. So, keeping the body hydrated helps the brain work at its best. How to prepare? Watch carefully. Wash the blueberries well to remove any dirt. Blueberries are one of the most nutritious berries, packed with antioxidants that protect brain cells from damage. You can take spinach instead of kale. Rinse and roughly chop it to make blending easier. Soak almond in water for a few hours if it's possible. This helps with digestion. Scoop out a quarter of the avocado. Blend all ingredients. Place all the ingredients in a blender and blueberries, spinach or kale, almonds, chia seeds, honey, coconut water, turmeric, avocado, and some water, some of the water, or you if you want to add some ice, you can add ice as well. Blend on high speed for about 1 to 2 minutes until smooth. Serve fresh. Pour the drink into a glass and enjoy it immediately. Now, understand how this drink benefits your brain. This drink improves memory. The antioxidants in blueberries and the healthy fats in avocados and almonds are essential for memory improvement. These nutrients reduce inflammation and antioxidant and oxidative stress, allowing your brain to function at its best. Enhances focus and concentration. With chia seed and almonds, this drink provides omega 3 fatty acids, proteins, and fiber, all of which support prolonged focus. They help balance blood sugar levels, preventing the energy crashes that can interrupt focus. Boost energy levels. Coconut water, honey, and almonds in the drink provide a natural energy source without a sugar crash. Honey gives a quick energy boost, while the healthy fats and fiber from almonds and chia seeds provide a slow, steady release of energy. Protect against cognitive decline. Regularly consuming foods rich in antioxidants like blueberries and turmeric has been linked to a lower risk of age related cognitive decline. These ingredients prevent brain cell damage and help maintain brain health as we grow older. This drink contains several ingredients like turmeric and blueberries that can help improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Curcumin in turmeric that provide relaxation to brain. Now I'm going to give you some tips. Always use fresh ingredients. Fresh ingredients retain more nutrients, so whenever possible, use fresh produce. And for noticeable results, try to incorporate this drink into your routine, ideally 3-4 times a week. One point is very important: combine with other brain boosting habits. Here you need, along with drinking this brain boosting beverage, try other healthy habits like exercising regularly, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep. A healthy lifestyle amplifies the benefits of any brain food you consume. This recipe is not just for students or professionals, it's beneficial for anyone looking to keep their mind sharp and active. So, why not give it a try? A delicious and nutritious way to power up your brain sip by sip. Share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.